Hi guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to teach you how to actually extract and compress file in Cpanel. So how do you extract and compress file in Cpanel? So you actually visited the Cpanel and you want to move the file from this website or from this Cpanel to another Cpanel. How do you do that? Now, first of all, you go to where the file is, right? You go to where the file is. So let me look for the file manager. I'm going to open this in new tab. All right. Now, assuming this is the file I want to compress, so all you just have to do is to click on it. Click on it here. Now, look for the compress option. Click for the compress option. Click on compress. So let me call this 17V. Then you click on compress file. Now it's going to compress just like your regular computer. It's going to compress it and then let you know that it has been compressed. Now the same thing if you want to extract it, what you just have to do is to click on extract. Click on extract. So now you have it extracted as well. Now the reason it's not showing up because that is what is replacing this one. So but if you delete this one, if you delete this and click on extract, as you can see, it's actually showed up again, right? So that is how you get that done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye for now.